Hi guys, this is Eugene Bruno. I am the managing trial attorney at Bruno Associates, a personal injury law firm in San Diego, California. And this morning we're going to talk about what are the responsibilities of a personal injury lawyer. So when new clients come to see me, I treat it as a job interview. The initial selection process, trying to figure out if you need a personal injury attorney and if you should hire this particular personal injury attorney, again, I treat that like a job interview. I need to explain, and I try to explain to each client, what is my role, what is my responsibility to you as a client, and what can you expect of me as your attorney. Well, the first thing I do is to guide you through the process. Insurance companies love unrepresented clients because they typically don't know the rules, don't know the value of their case, don't know how to handle their case well, and in the end, an unrepresented person will obtain a much lower settlement from an insurance company for their claim versus someone who's represented by an attorney. Also, if you don't know the rules, you're going to make mistakes, and those mistakes can be costly. And the insurance company will take advantage of that and will try to push you around, frankly. Don't get pushed around. Have someone on your side that knows the rules and make sure that the insurance company plays by those rules. The second thing that I do, my second responsibility to you, is to get those insurance companies to take you seriously. All too often, clients come to me having been told by the insurance company that they don't have a claim, that the accident was all their fault, that their claim isn't worth much. These are tactics, intimidation tactics used by the insurance company to kind of dissuade clients from pursuing claims and certainly from seeking the assistance of an attorney. An attorney can let you know what kind of sneaky tactics the insurance companies are using. My third job to you is to ensure that you receive the proper treatment for your injuries. Whether you have health insurance or don't have health insurance, I have a job to do. If you don't have health insurance, I can ensure that you get the medical treatment that you need and that those medical expenses will be paid by the insurance company in your settlement. If you do have health insurance, my job is not to get in between you and your doctor in terms of your treatment plan, but rather it is to kind of peek over the doctor's shoulder and make sure that they are documenting your injuries the way we need them documented for your case. In some cases, managed healthcare will not want to pay for expensive diagnostic tests, which are necessary to show your injuries. In that case, we can arrange for treatment outside of health insurance to arrange for diagnostic testing that will help create the evidence we need to win your case in court. My next responsibility to you is to evaluate your case and negotiate a fair settlement. How will you know what your case is worth? We have the experience. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I've handled thousands of cases. And based on my experience, I can evaluate your case, try to figure out what the fair settlement value of your case is as compared to other cases that we have handled, and as compared to cases that are being tried currently in the San Diego Superior Court. My next responsibility to you is to help you get your life back on track, and I will do that by wrapping up your case as quickly as possible. Of course, the most important factor in determining the length of your case is what kind of injuries you have and what kind of treatment you need. We certainly cannot and don't want to try to wrap up your case before your treatment is concluded, because we don't know whether you will get better in 2 months or 2 years. And that's the most important factor to be considered in establishing a settlement value for your case. During the pendency of your case, if you require loans or financial assistance, we can assist with that as well by arranging for loans to you to kind of get you through a rough patch. My next responsibility, really one of my most important responsibilities to my clients, is to communicate with you, and I promise to do that. All of the lawyers at Bruno Associates communicate regularly with their clients. Now, some law firms use assistants. They may screen phone calls through their assistants before the attorney will get on the phone. Some law firms use assistants for everything from intake all the way through settlement. You may never actually talk to your attorney. If you're okay with that, then that may be a good option for you. At Bruno Associates, we do employ paralegals and assistants, and they work with our attorneys as part of a team to get your case done. However, you will always have access to your attorney. Each attorney will provide their cell phone to you, and you can reach out directly to your attorney anytime to talk about your case. If you've got a case, if you think you have a case, if you're thinking about hiring an attorney for your personal injury matter, give us a call. Any of the attorneys at Bruno Associates will be happy to talk to you about your case, evaluate it over the phone for you. There's no cost or obligation. Give us a call. Thank you.